what are the 3 things that you really want in the morning as an adult? Most likely it's delicious coffee, some protein, and number 3, to get out the door as quickly as possible, right?
And I want some porridge.
Well then, have I got the recipe for you? Let's try courage or coffee porridge. Yeah.
I get it.
That's what I'm talking about. Wait. Okay, now, from the beginning.
Let's do it.
This is really easy because you can prepare it the night before.
Okay.
All you're gonna
That's
need.
convenient, yes.
All you're gonna need is.
You need a mixing bowl and a kitchen skill.
And if you want to go mocha, you need a cup of cold brew, or espresso if you want it warm, protein, porridge, or if you're not down with caffeine, this really works well with any sort of milk, protein powder, porridge, and berries.
Berries, I like berries.
All right. Porridge, protein, coffee, stir. La 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 la. And then, dun dun dun.
Nice.
And if your children really like chocolate, you could use milk and then just add those sugar-free chocolate drops onto the top of this. Man, it's good.
So this is the first one.
That's mine. Yours, ready?
Yeah.
Coming right up.
Yeah.
Porridge, milk, protein.
Mix it up, mix it up. It's thick.
And then all you gotta do, pour it in. Then add as many berries.
Okay, now. Are you ready?
We left these overnight.
Yep.
Nice and soft and delicious. Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, coffee.
I love this one.
Mine has coffee in it. So it's
I can-
better than yours.
Mine doesn't have coffee, that's why I'm really calm.
Time to
This one has
Body
coffee.
attack. Body attack. Body attack. Sweet. Done.
Good breakfast.
Courage.